Hello friends, in my previous video I showed you how to add contacts, and this is how the database looks. It contains the data location contacts, then it contains my UID, and then it contains the UID of contacts as key, and all their values are true. So let's move to Sketchware. Here this is the chat page, and it contains a drawer which contains a text view contacts. When this is clicked, I use intent to move to contacts activity, and this is how the drawer looks. It contains this button contacts. Now let's move to this contacts activity. So here I have added only one list view, for which the custom view is user, and this is the custom view. It contains this text view username, text view email, image view 1, add underscore contact, and message. Here I will remove this add underscore contact because this user is already added to contacts, and rest all text views will be there. Now let's move to the contacts activity. Here in components I have added a Firebase auth component fauth and a Firebase DB component contacts with data location contacts, and an intent component intent. In onCreate, first I add contacts stop listening, then I set a string variable myUID to Firebase auth getUID, and then I make a reference to child contacts dot child myUID. So it is underscore Firebase dot get reference dot child contacts dot child myUID, and to this I add a value event listener, which is a new value event listener, and this value event listener contains on data change method with snapshot underscore param1. Now here I have made reference to contacts followed by myUID. So the result here will be a map variable with the UIDs of contacts as key, and all their values will be true. So here I will get this snapshot, which is underscore param1, to a map variable which is contacts underscore map. So first I define a generic type indicate underscore ind for map variable, and then in this try catch exception I define this contacts underscore map, which is a map variable I have created, contacts underscore map. I set this contacts underscore map to underscore param1 dot get value underscore ind. Now from this contacts underscore map I have to convert it to a list, map list, so that I can display it in a list view. So here I have created a list map called contact list, and from this contacts map I get all keys to a list string called key list. Here I have a list string key list, so I get all the keys, which are these 3 keys, to the list string key list. Then I set a number variable n to 0 and repeat for length of key list if contacts map get key get at n of key list equals true. So if the value of this user is true, then I add that UID to this contact list. So for adding that I use add key UID value get at n of key list to list map contact list, and every time it repeats I increase n by 1, and after this I display this contact list in list view 1 and refresh list view 1, and then I close this try, then catch exception e and show message e dot to string, and there is also one on cancel method which is empty. So that's all here in onCreate. So now I have a list of all UIDs in this contact list. So while displaying in onBind custom view, I have to display the username and all those things, which is not there in contacts. It is in users. Here you can see it is there in this users. So here I have to get the key name, the key email, and the key pic if it is there. So the key pic is there at only one place. So here first I will make this text view add contact set visible gone, then I set a string UID to get value at position key UID of list map contact underscore list. After this, I make a reference to users followed by this UID underscore firebase dot get reference dot child users dot child UID. So this means here I am making reference to users followed by this UID. So here I will get a map variable because these are key value pairs. So here also I add a value event listener, new value event listener with method on data chain, and here also I define a generic type indicator for map variable, and here from this param1 I get the value in the form of map variable to user underscore map. Here I have created a map variable user underscore map. So I set this user underscore map to underscore param1 dot get value underscore ind. From this user underscore map I check if it contains key username. If it contains key username, I get this key username and display text view username. Similarly, if it contains key email, I get the key email and display text view email. And if it contains key pic, I get this key pic and set image of image view from this URL. Else for image view 1 I set this profile img as the image. In the end I catch exception and show message e.toString, and there is on cancel method which is empty. And when this text view message is clicked, I set screen to private chat activity and I put this extra key UID value get value at position key UID of list map contact list and then start activity intent. So I use intent to move to private chat activity with UID of the user. Now with this code there was some problem while loading the text, it was getting mixed up. So we have to use this refresh block inside this try block. So here in this refresh block I refresh list view 1. So this we have to use here inside this try catch exception. And I also have list view 1 on item click event where I move to profile activity with UID of the user. And for this list view I have set the padding to 0. I have set padding to 0. Now let's check the app. So here is the app, and here it takes some time to load the username, and now when I click on contacts it will display all the 3 contacts, and here you can see the contacts with the email and the images, and when I click on any of the item it takes me to the profile of that user. Now in this next video I will show you how to send a message to the user in private chat. That's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching this.